Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna make this super short and simple. Today is reassembly day. Super excited to get this bike running, all fixed up, good to go. I believe I have everything to get the job done, so let's get on to this. Enjoy. Get some contact cleaner, spray down your Scotch-Brite, just sand it. I'm gonna go through and use the contact cleaner and clean up all of these little pieces. Not gonna film too much of it. All this is clean, ready to be put back on. I'm not reusing that timing chain, by the way. I ordered a new one. Let's get on to cleaning the cylinder. Now is a good time to check your cylinder wall on the inside and make sure there's no damage. If you see any damage, run your fingernail across it, and if it hooks to your fingernail, then it might be a good idea to take it in, maybe get it honed. But if there's none, then you're good to go. Well, it's interesting when you find parts on here. So these have KPMI valves, both sides, but cleaned out real nice. I tested these if they leak, which how you do that: spray contact cleaner down in both sides of the exhaust and intake, flip it out the other way so it's straight, and if it leaks past, that means they're leaking, and mine do leak, so I'm gonna have to open them up, clean them out, maybe change the seals and everything like that. Cams are all nice and clean. The head studs, the everything basically. It's all clean. Everything is ready to go. Actually, I still gotta clean the valve cover, and then I gotta clean the left side engine cover, and after that everything is good to go. So I wasn't really gonna take the transmission apart, but I did. I wanted to show you guys how to do that, but I'm also glad that I did because I wanted to check for any broken gears, anything like that. Yeah, I inspected it while it was on. I couldn't see anything, and while I took it off, I still didn't see anything. But one thing that I did notice is this bearing doesn't spin as good, and it has like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a vibraty feel to it versus like these are smooth. All these are smooth. This one has like a little weird feeling to it, so I'm gonna change this bearing just to be safe. So alright, so we bought new bearings. The bearings that we needed were, the one I had were like Toyo or something like that, 6004, and this is just a different brand. These are Axes, and since they're going to be in the engine running oil through them, I'm going to pop these little covers off. Just like that. Looks like they already have grease in there, so I don't have to re-grease them, but like that, and ready to be put in. I actually cleaned off the old grease and I put my own because I don't know what that blue grease is and what it's rated for, what it's used for, so I just put my own.
Sixes, money stolen, bitches, honeys that swollen the riches. Nas get in ya, most critically acclaimed Pulitzer prize winner, best storyteller, thug narrator, my style's greater, model data, big threat to a lot of you haters. Commentators ringside try watching my paper, almost a decade, quite impressive. Most of the best is in the essence, but it's rap shit that I stand for, expanding more to the big screen. Bill Gates dreams, but it seems you'd rather see me in jail with state dreams. Roll me off the scene fast, but good things last. Like your favorite MC, still making some mean cast. First rapper to bring a platinum plaque back to the project, but you still wanna hate? Be my guest, I suggest. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You wanna hate me, then hate me. What can I do but keep getting money? Funny, I was just like you. I had to hustle hard, never give up until I made it. Now you're saying that's a clever nigga, nothing to play with. Hate on me, I blew, but I'm the same OG. People warn me when you on top, there's envy. Took my niggas out the hood, but you doubt on us. Saying we left the hood, but can't get it out of us. My bad, should I step on my shoes, give them to you? Here's my cards and my.
I'm so excited. Check it out, guys. Got the whole Hot Rods kit, seals, the whole top and bottom end gasket kit, a whole new crank, and then we got a white scope piston, complete kit. These guys, best deal around that I've seen so far. Apex Motors, I believe. Yeah, Apex Motors sells the whole kit. I paid, it was like $680 after tax and shipping and everything like that. That's a freaking steal of a deal, guys. OEM crank, rod, a white scope piston to stock spec and everything like that. everything for your top and bottom end rebuild kit basically. That's a great deal. I was quoted like $900 for this kit from like local shops and different places. This was the best deal that I found, so check them out, guys.
You can live in that too. Criticize when I broke for the street. Hate my dress code. Gucci this, Fendi that. What you expect, ho? Nickname Esco. Took this game to its threshold. Best flow, I bet the whole US know. Try to make it like you the realest, but who the illest? Think we all know the answer to that. Cause niggas feel us, right? You think I'ma come this far and let you niggas stop me now? I like this. I like the way this feels. It's a thin line between paper and hate. Friends and snakes. 9 millies and 38s. Hell on the pearly gates. I was destined to come. Predicted. Blame God and blew breath in my lungs. Second to none. Wicked turn wives to widows. Shoot through satin pillows. The desolate one. Took a little time to claim my spot. Chairman of the board until this game stopped. And I side with the Lord. Ride for the cause while driving niggas shot at my doors. Plotting, I'm sure they catch me with their Glocks to my jaws. Try sticking me up, but I flipped on these ducks. Instead of me, ambulances were picking them up. Niggas fear what they don't understand. Hate what they can't conquer. Guess it's just a theory of man became a monster on top of the world. Never falling, I'm as real as they come. From day one, forever falling. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Old one. New one.
Crib dreaming about Lear jets and coops, the way salt shoots and how they sell records like Snoop. I'm interrupted by a doorbell, 352. Who the hell is this? I gets up quick, cocks my shit, stop the dogs from barking, then proceed to walking. It's a face that I seen before. My nigga Sing used to sling on the 16th floor. Check it. I look deeper, I see blood up on his sneakers, and his fist gripped the chrome 4/5. So I dip, nigga, is you creeping or speaking? He tells me C-Rock just got hit up at the beacon. I opens up the door pitiful. Is he in critical retaliation for this one won't be minimal? Cause I'm a criminal, way before the rap shit, bust the cat shit. Puff won't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silences on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie, with the booty that done fuck Big Pop. Head spinning, reminiscing about my man C-Rock. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go.
Would you look at this beauty? Packaged all nicely. Oh yeah. It's gonna be our new crank, boys. Let's get this bad boy put on. I really like how they packaged everything. Got the gaskets and everything needed. Everything was really nicely. You guys should really check out this company.
For this one won't be minimal, cause I'm a criminal. Way before the rap shit, bust the cat shit. Puff won't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silences on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie, with the booty that done.
Don't forget to put this in before you put the crank in.
Fuck Big Pop, head spinning, reminiscing about my man C-Rock. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die.
We got the. I was gonna buy Yama Bond, but couldn't find any, so I'm using this 3-bond liquid gasket gray. Same stuff, basically. So I just put it on. Let's put the case on now.
Gunshots blow, somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid.